In the heart of New York City, the courtroom was abuzz with anticipation. The wooden pews were packed with journalists, political analysts, and those simply captivated by the high-stakes drama unfolding before them. Presiding over the case was Judge Ann Wallace, a seasoned jurist known for her fair but firm demeanor. On the docket was a case that had seized the nation's attention: President-elect Donald Trump's conviction regarding a hush money scandal. The air was thick with tension as the judge took her seat. On one side of the courtroom sat the prosecution team, led by a young and ambitious attorney named Mia Rodriguez. Known for her tenacity and sharp wit, Mia had built a solid case and was intent on upholding the law, no matter the political implications. Across from her, the defense team included some of the top legal minds in the country. At the forefront was Jonathan King, a strategic and seasoned lawyer who had represented Trump in various legal matters. His arguments were clear. Given Trump's recent victory as president-elect, it was no longer feasible for him to be burdened by the conviction. Jonathan argued, with resolve, that the conviction must be undone so Trump could focus on leading the country. Prosecutors, on the other hand, were wrestling with the impact of the election outcome. Mia, representing the state, needed time to evaluate the broader implications of enforcing a conviction against a sitting president. The ethical and political ramifications were not lost on her. As the proceedings began, Judge Wallace surveyed the courtroom. "Today, we are tasked with considering a motion that reverberates beyond the walls of this courthouse," she stated, her voice steady. "The decision to postpone is not one taken lightly, but it is necessary to afford both parties the opportunity to present their strongest arguments." The decision to delay was both a relief and frustration for those invested in the outcome. For Trump's team, it was a temporary reprieve, a chance to refine their arguments for dismissal. For Mia and her prosecution team, it was an opportunity to weigh the balance of justice against public interest responsibilities. As she adjourned the court, Judge Wallace reflected on the pivotal moment in history she was witnessing, one that would test not only the resilience of America's legal institutions, but also the fortitude of its democratic principles.